Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. A few weeks ago, we did a photo transfer onto glass, and this week we made this.
Now before we get into the making of this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, it helps the channel grow when you leave a comment, so if you don't mind, leave a comment below as well. Now let's get on with the video.
Here we are selecting some pieces, but we have to choose koa wood, of course, for our granddaughter.
Now to cut out some slots that will be used to hold the individual glass sheets.
And now it's time to bust out the sander.
Here I am building up what is going to be the sides of the picture frame. The ultimate plan is so that I can remove the glass and change out the pictures and put in a new one. In order to do this, the top will not be permanently attached, so I need strong sides to hold the glass pane.
See, the top is not attached.
And now to get down to the real sanding.
We usually use epoxy or polyurethane, but we decided to use butcher block oil because we like the way it looks on the koa wood. The butcher block oil on the wood looks fantastic. Now it's time to assemble.
And there you have it. So as you can tell, it really wasn't all that difficult to make. It was fun. There were some positives and some negatives. When you look straight onto it, it does have a 3D look, which turned out kind of cool. But when you come from either of the angles, from either side, it looks distorted and it seems out of focus. So I didn't like it quite as much as I had hoped. Now, I have some ideas on how we want to fix this. In its current status, there are 3 panes of glass that are stacked in front of one another. I think that if we just use 2, it might come out much better. So at some point, I think I'll probably disassemble this a little bit and put both our granddaughter and the dog in the front, and then the black and white picture in the back, and still give it a 3D look, but it'll be a better focus at that point. So someday when we get this done, I will post that on Instagram because it would be too boring for another video here.
We hope you enjoyed the video this week, and until we meet again, bye-bye.